To edit YouTube thumbnail, first upload PicsArt application via Play Store or just click the link in the description below.
But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Now open the PicsArt application, click the plus button to start editing. First step is to choose background color. I choose white. Click Tools, Crop, then select YouTube for YouTube thumbnail size. Second step is to add photo from gallery. Now zoom the photo and click the free crop. Then select person from category. Then zoom the photo to make sure if the picture was properly cropped. Click the right arrow above for preview and check if it's needed to recrop or not. And when it's clean, just save it and proceed to next step. But if not, click the left arrow to edit. At this time, use the brush to select and eraser to deselect. Always preview your work if it's already clean. Use erase tool to the background parts to make sure it will not include the selected parts. And now that we are done, click Save. Now adjust the picture according to your desired size and position. And if you wanted to use filters, just click FX Effects. You can manually adjust it too. But if not, just use Beautify tool. But since I prefer not to use filter this time, I just use Beautify tool to edit. In Beautify menu, I select Detail tool to give detail to the picture. Just brush the area you wanted to give more details. Brush the eyes, the eyebrows, mouth, hair. I also brush my clothes and my hands. And when it's done, click the check at the right part above. And to whiten the background, select Whiten Teeth tool. It will whiten teeth but also remove blemishes shown in the background. But if the background is colored, just select Blemish Fix tool to clean. The whiten tool can be used automatically or manually, but I prefer manually. The proper use of whiten tool, you have to brush to darker surfaces that you wanted to whiten. And to restore the original part, just use eraser tool. You can adjust whiten tool and eraser tool or even the other brushes tool. Just click the arrow at the bottom of the tool to let the adjustment appear. You can adjust its size, opacity, and hardness. And if it's done, click check. Then drag to zoom in and out to check the result. And click again the check above if it's done. Now let's proceed to step 3, adding text. Just click the add text, then type the text you wanted to. Zoom the text to clearly see the font and color. Click stroke button to add stroke to text, and click color to select the color of your text. And when you wanted to bend your text, just click bend button to adjust. Now that you already know the purpose of pen and stroke, let's go back to color. When you click color button, there are three categories: color, gradient, and texture. You can choose the design whichever of these categories. Let's add another text. I just type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Select font, add stroke, add color, and adjust gradient. And when done, adjust the size and location. And when you are satisfied with your text design, click the check above. And since I am using these apps offline, instead of adding sticker, I prefer to add photo. I select the screenshot I did earlier. Just crop the photo. What I am doing right now is similar to what I did to the first picture. Now let's proceed to next step by adding border. Just click border button and adjust the outer and inner size. You can also change the color of your border. Just click the box at the right side. Now click check if done. And let's try to add brushes. When I was online, I downloaded some of these brushes to use offline. Select the fourth brush, then choose a brush design you wanted to use. Then just brush, brush, brush. And now, the last but not the least, click check and then click save button to save. And now you already have a customized thumbnail. Thank you for watching.